Hello again. Long time no see, right? But no, I just needed to change the setup so I could really get into what I want to talk about. I'm just gonna get started so that I don't like waste everybody's time. This is a topic I've wanted to share about for a long time because I've been working on, you know, what do you call that? Not recycling, upcycling. The fragrance flowers. So let me explain what a fragrance flower is. So they come in this kind of box, right? And there's two styles, the Dahlia Darling and the Buttercup Belle. I think they're both really pretty. But they come with a white flower, right? And it acts as a reed diffuser, and it takes the oil, the fragranced oil, up through the stem of the flower, and then the petals get saturated with it, and it slowly, like over 2 months, it'll start to evaporate in the air and smell good. And it's like a little pop of fragrance, and you'll just walk up to wherever you have it and you'll smell it and you're, wow, it's literally so long lasting. We like to use them in the bathrooms. So yeah, that's what it looks like in this box. And then you open it, and you've got instructions on the top, right? And, oh my gosh, that's not what I meant to do. Anyways, this is what it looks like. You'll get a silver decorative rim. That is your oil container, and that's your flower container. But I'll get into that in a minute. That's the one I'm gonna show y'all. That is plain. Actually, let me pull it out. So this is what the fragrance flowers looks like before you do anything to it. So it's a plain color. You don't have to color it if you don't want to, but it's a very interesting what happens when you color them. They take on a really cool look to them. Let me show you one that I've done, and this one has been completely used and there's no oil in here. I ran this through the dishwasher and then took acrylic paint, basic like barrel paint, the 50-cent ones from the dollar store and the Walmart. Oh gosh, but see, this is the flower, right? And then this is like dried out from use, and then I left the silver decorative rim on it. I put paint in it, and then now I can like upcycle it and use it as decor. And so my current project is to first fix some of that purple, anyways, and then I've been doing my extras in different colors. So this one's black, gray, gotta fix gray. I just put the paint in there and then I spin it so it paints the inside. That one's yellow, and this is a green. I'm gonna do a red flower for Christmas. So that's just an idea on how to upcycle them and give them a purpose after they're done smelling. So you've got options. That's how you can redo it, reuse it. I want to show you guys one that I've been working on. So this one I've started to color with a Sharpie, brown, orange, red, and yellow. So this is what it looks like before you put it in the oil, and the oil starts pulling that color pigment down and throughout the petal, right? And when you're coloring this, you have to be very careful because these are handmade. It's made from a plant called cassava, somewhere in like Thailand or something, and super delicate, so be careful. But let me talk about a little tip. So when you get your oil jar, you've got the sticker up here, and just so you don't forget what scent it is, you should take the sticker off and put it on the bottom. Let's see, let me do that right now. Okay, so there's my sea salt and avocado sticker. I'm gonna put it on the bottom, so once this is out, if I love it, I can get that scent again and I don't have to be confused. So you take off this black one, you don't need it, you'll toss it. And then it comes with a plug to make sure the oil doesn't come out, so you'll have to take this off. Butter knives work, but I'm gonna use a little knife off camera. Oh gosh, that went a lot easier than I thought it would. Great, I just spilled. I did not cut up. Okay, this one precious. Don't lean it when you're trying to open it. That was a rookie move for sure. but my desk is gonna smell good. Know that much. It is not my live video if I don't do something. Anyways, be more gentle than that. Open it flat on the table. I just thought it was going to be more resistant. Anyways, so this is your oil. Thankfully I didn't spill very much. Also get lots of longevity out of it. Put your silver decorative cap on. And then this is the flower I've pre-colored. I'm just going to put it in there. This is the Buttercup Bell style. So over a couple days, all of this color will seep into the petals, and I'll post pictures as an update so y'all can get a better idea. So that one's ready. I think I'm going to put that one in my parents' bathroom. And then I'm about to open another one and do it so y'all can see how I color these. This one is Vanilla Bean Buttercream. Are you going to focus? That didn't focus, but you know, here we are. This is a plain flower. And this comes sealed with clear shrink wrap, so you'll want to take that off before we get into coloring the flower. All you need is Sharpies in whatever color you want, and it could go as fast or as slow as you want. This will be a really good activity to do for like a girls' night or boys' night, whatever. No judgment here. And kids' birthday parties, like teenagers, they would like to do this, I think, because it's like DIY, and they get to go home with it and have something to remember the party by for 2 months. These things last forever. Okay, there we go. So this shrink wrap is off. I'm going to do the same thing with the sticker, the fragrance sticker I'm going to put on the bottom. Vanilla Bean Buttercream on the bottom. There we go. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the cork out so I don't mess it up this time. Goodness gracious. Perfect. That's how you want it to go. That's what it looks like when it comes out. Vanilla Bean Buttercream smells so good. This is the scent I had sitting at my desk when I had my last job before I had to leave. Anyways, so this flower that I'm going to do on live is the Dahlia Darling style. So it's got lots more petals. You can do way more intricate details with it. It's the same one as this. This is Dahlia Darling. And I think I'm going to do, so this flower that I just showed you, I was going for fall colors. I might do red with this. So you can choose one color, or you can do multiple colors. I'm thinking, are these different reds? No, they're the same. But I like the Amazon one. I think I'm just going to do a single one. I haven't done a single colored flower in a long time. Before you put this into the water, there's a small piece of paper right here. Little piece of tissue paper you'll want to take off so that this can spread out in the oil better. But yeah, so you see the edges of the petals is just what I'm going to start putting color on. Literally just like that. Like that's all you have to do is put little lines towards the end of it, and that's how the pigment will make it down the petal over a couple of days, and it looks gorgeous. That's where we're at so far. I'm going to go around and do the tip of every petal. Of course, you don't have to. You can pick and choose how you want it to look. But it's like a little experiment. You see that one? I just colored the edge. Let me see if I can show you. That one has the edge colored. It's almost the consistency of styrofoam, so I don't know if that helps explain how this goes. Of course, I'm just barely tapping this like that to get the ink to transfer. Because if you go and like start digging, it's just gonna break the petal. So let me see if I can get this closer. Yeah, you get the gist. So this might take me a little longer because this one has so many petals, but I love the look of it. I think the dahlia is my favorite. And then when I get done, I'll show you guys what this looks like. Progress. If you do hop on live, tell me what your favorite color is. If you're watching the replay, tell me what your favorite color is. I have a couple favorite colors. Purple is probably my primary favorite color, especially the darker shades. I don't really like lilac or lavender that much. I like black, I like gray, and yellow. I think that's a good color palette. And what I like about this activity is it does not have to be precise. Like gravity's gonna do its thing and it's gonna pull this color down in a way that looks great. And organic looking. I have another question. What is your favorite type of party to go to? Besides like a social party, do you like going to crafting parties, movies, baking parties, cookie swaps, sports parties? What kind of parties do you like to go to? Obviously, I love going to crafting parties. That's what we're at now. Just gonna keep on going. I might change my mind and do something like a lighter color towards the middle, but I don't know yet. While I'm on here, I'll just remind you that this is an easy activity I can facilitate for you if you want to have an online Scentsy party, or we can do it in person if you're close to me, or if I have the means to get down to Ardmore area, because y'all know I'm from Ardmore, Alabama, but I live in Murfreesboro now. So if you're having a girls' night or something, I would be more than happy to do this. We would just order everybody's flowers beforehand. They can get as many as they want. They can get the 3-pack for $45 or a single for $16 plus tax and shipping. And then they can choose to only paint or color one at the party or all of them. And of course I've got tons of Sharpies to lend. We're getting towards the middle. Ooh, okay, I thought of another question. Who's your favorite YouTuber? What kind of YouTubers do you follow? I think one of my favorite YouTubers is aka Aislinn. She does her hair a lot. She dyes it vivid colors and she tests different hair dye brands. And I love it. The transformations are stunning all the time. And then she also tests things that like remove hair color. Those are interesting to watch. Because you know, if you've ever seen faded vivid hair, it takes a while to come out. Likes to hang on to the blonde that or whatever color it's over. So seeing her pull the color out completely is pretty cool. I'm the type of person that just lets my hair fade. Okay. I think this is gonna look really good when this is all done. When all the oil runs out of this one, I think I'm gonna put it in the upcycled green jar I have. Cool. Okay. This is all done. Look at that. So it doesn't look like much right now, but it will over a couple days. It'll turn into something completely gorgeous. But that's the vanilla bean buttercream one I'm gonna do. And then you just put it in there. It's pretty. This smells so good. Comment and tell me where I should put the vanilla bean buttercream one, or if I should leave it on my desk. I'm gonna put sea salt and avocado in my parents' bathroom on their counter. Yeah, I had to trim this one because I accidentally dipped it in paint, but it'll work just fine. But yeah, so typically they go down to the bottom. But here's what happened. I was at my last event and I had this yellow one, and it wasn't completely dry. And then I didn't realize that I put this one in here as a display, and there's definitely paint on the stem from this one, but it's fine. It's fine. It'll work all the same. So yeah. Also, comment, tell me which one you like better, Buttercup Belle or Darling Dahlia. Okay. Bye. I hope this was informational, entertaining, and so forth. Bye.